Hi guys, I'm back with a new video and welcome back to my channel. Well, if you know me then great, and if you do not know me, I'm planning to make videos every day about how to make money online, skip the 9 to 5 job, and also be free to do whatever you want whenever you want. So if you already subscribed then great, just make sure to press that like button and turn on the notification bell. If you didn't subscribe then make sure to subscribe before watching this video. I'm sure you're gonna like this video. Well, in today's video we are gonna talk about, or I am gonna talk about, how to make $2,000 per month with ClixSense. If you already know ClixSense, then great, and if you do not know ClixSense, well, it's a GPT site, which means get paid to sites. It's a survey site, okay? Well, ClixSense could be the greatest survey site for you, and I'm gonna show you why, okay? So, first of all, when people try to search online to make money option, one of the most common way they come across is those GPT sites, that get to paid sites, that provides way to make money by completing surveys, offers, and tasks. And if you are trying to find some lists of GPT sites, you will get hundreds and even thousands of them. Okay, that and all of them that are claiming that you can make some good income from surveys. Okay, but what you should know, guys, is we already know that there are only some of them that are legit and the others are not legit. And my best one, or the best one that I prefer, that I would recommend, is ClixSense. Well, after all, guys, this guy over here made around $21,000 in 5 years. Yes, in 5 years, from 2012 and to 2017, he made around $21,000. And in the year of 2016, he made around $26,000. Well, it's more than 2,000 a month. I don't know about you. I don't know where you live, what you're doing in your life, but 2,000 a month is a good income. Well, what you should know, guys, is that you won't get that result, the 2,000 per month, the $2,000 per month overnight. It doesn't work like that. Anyone gonna say something like that, he's trying to sell you some hype. It doesn't work like that. You cannot just get that result in a matter of 24 hours. Okay, so first of all, you can see here the total income, $21,000 of this person here. Okay, so how much time will that need? Well, it needs around 10 to 20 minutes a day on this website. So if you're looking to make some good extra money opportunity, you will need to add ClixSense to your list of online jobs, because it takes not more than 10 to 20 minutes of your daily time. So before you sign up and start making money from ClixSense, I want to give you some ideas and reviews about how exactly you can make money from this GBT site, and how you can multiply your income from using the multiple streams of incomes that this website is providing you, and also some tips and tricks. So stay tuned and watch this video, guys. You will love it. So how you can make money from this website? Well, first of all, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. It looks clean. First thing, you need to sign up to the ClixSense program, or to this ClixSense website. Well, it is easy. The ClixSense process is the ClixSense sign up process is very easy, so I don't have to show you how you can do that. You can do it yourself. It is very easy. You should just you should just put your name, your full name, your full name, and your email address, some other informations. Okay, after sign up, you will receive a validation link from ClixSense. Okay, you will have to click on that validation link. Once you click on the validation link, ClixSense will ask you to log into your account, and after you do that, they will ask you to add some more information like your address, your picture, your avatar, some more informations. Well, and the most important thing that you have to add is the payment method. You should know that there are three types of methods, or there are three methods of payments to get paid from this website. The first one is Pioneer, the second one is Skrill, and the third one I guess is Nettler. Okay, well, for me, Pioneer is one of the most popular way to receive payments, so I will suggest you to join Pioneer if you didn't do that before, and if you did, then great. So after adding all the account details, I mean your avatar, more information like your address and all of that, your payment method, just make sure to click update. Okay, click the update button and it will take you to the main page where you can start earning money. And this is the main page. Okay, in the main page you are seeing the income streams or the ways that you can rely on to make money from this GBT site. Okay, the first one is the main source of income, which is paid surveys. Okay, you can see there are numbers of ways in ClixSense to make money, and I will explain you each of the methods so that you can make a big income from ClixSense. Your income will be slow for the first 6 months because, well, this is normal. You're not gonna be rich overnight. As I mentioned before, your income will be slow for the 6 months, the first 6 months, and after that you will be able to make better income. The first type to get, or the first way to get paid from this website is by paid surveys. Okay, paid surveys are the main income option in this ClixSense, and every day you will find new paid surveys in ClixSense and your ClixSense account. You have to complete each and every survey after logging to your ClixSense account to earn good income in ClixSense. You will find like two types in this area right here. The first type is the survey invites, and the second one is called daily survey routers. For the first one, guys, in order to receive maximum surveys, you will need to complete your survey profile that is here. Okay, you will have to click on the surveys profile and fill in all the information there and click updates, and after that you will need to complete the surveys that you are seeing right here. Okay, so you need to give accurate information about your age, your education, your jobs, family, hobbies, preferences. Okay, just fill in all the information in survey profile so that they will send you surveys according to your profile and interest. Okay, each of the surveys invites pay you a minimum of 25 cents to $2 or even more according to the time spent to complete a survey. Most survey pay instantly, and for the others that have that red flag right here, they will pay you in after 30 days after completions. Okay, 30 days after the completion of the survey, if it's a good survey. Okay, if you get accepted. So you can click only once on the survey that are available here, and you need to log in to your account daily and complete each and every surveys in order to earn good amount of money. Sometimes surveys are rejected if you don't qualify or if your profile is not suitable with that survey, but don't worry, guys, don't worry about this disqualification. Just complete each and every survey. You will be qualified for and earn good income with this job. The second type is the survey routers or daily survey routers. For daily survey routers, there are surveys where you can attend surveys unlimited times per day. Some may allow you to take the survey only once per day, but the others could be like 20 times per day or higher limits. Well, recommended is to keep on checking multiple times at different hours to check for available surveys, and I would recommend to use the ClixSense audit. Okay, so you'll always stay informed when there is a new survey. And the second way that you can use or you can rely on to make money on this website is by completing different offers. And by completing different offers, I mean you can earn ClixSense, okay, not ClixSense, but ClixSense points is by completing different types of offers. These offers are available from different types of websites. You will get paid for sign up on different sites. You can earn by downloading useful apps on your mobile or similar types of offers. There are around nine offers here, nine different offers on 9 different companies. through which you can earn some ClixSense. Well, this ClixSense will be converted to equivalent amounts of dollars. Well, anytime when you log into your ClixSense account, you can find a number of offers from these companies. You can check the offers, understand what they want you to do, and complete the offer to get paid. It is easy to do. It is the easiest way to get paid in this website. Just go through it, okay? So, the third method that you can rely on to make money on this website is by completing tasks, okay? What I mean by completing tasks is, this is another way, this is actually another way to make money on ClixSense, okay? You can just click on a task right here, okay? This is a task. You will find a number of different tasks provided by Figure 8, which is a crowdsourcing service that enables you to work on a small tasks, given the opportunity to earn some extra cash. Okay, so you can make some good money if you use all these ways that I showed before. You can make some good money. Okay, so it will ask you when you click on any task or job given there, okay, given in this way, it will ask you to sign up a Figure 8 site. You can then complete all the tasks provided by this company in ClixSense. You can complete the tasks that you will like the most and complete them as per the instruction. There is no limit on how many tasks you can complete because there are a lot of tasks out there. You can choose the task that you want and go through it and get paid, okay? You can go to the bottom of the task page, which is not shown in this because this is just an image, okay? But you can go to the bottom of the task page to find top tasks workers. And the fourth way that you can rely on to make money from this website, and this is the best part, guys, because this is where passive income come in, okay? This is passive income, and what I mean is by applying to the affiliate program of this website, of this GPT website, you can make even more money. You can earn unlimited income with the affiliate program provided by ClixSense. You will get lifetime income from every person that you refer in ClixSense. I mean, it is not just for 30 days. It is lifetime income from every person you refer. You will earn 3 different types of income from each of the person you refer on ClixSense. The first is up to $0.3 instant income for every referral, $2 bonus for each $5 made by your referral, and the best part is 30% commission from every approved survey that your referral completed. Okay, now this is when the fun part comes in, guys. This is when the fun part comes in. I'm gonna show you why. Let's search for the calculator. Okay, well, okay, this is the calculator over here. Where is the calculator? So in the calculator, let's just assume that you refer 20 people, okay? And each one of them is making around $50 per month. Just $50 per month. This is not too much. You can make that kind of money in one day. Like if you see it right here, this person is making around 47 or something like that. Okay, so $50 per day is not that hard, guys. Okay, so where is the other one? Okay, this is not working. Let's see, where's the calculator? So in the calculator, let's just assume that you referred 20 people, okay, and for everyone you referred is making $50. Okay, now for $50, let's just forget about the $2 bonus for each $5 earned by your referral. Let's just talk only about the 30% commission that you will get from the people that you refer to ClixSense. Okay, now $50. Let's multiply it. Let's multiply it in 0.3. That will get you $50, and for every person that you refer, you will get $15. and $15 multiplied on 20, you will get around $300, guys. $300 just because you referred 20 people and each one of them is making $50 per month. This is great, guys. This is great. 20 people, like, you can refer one person a day, and that will be 30 people referred to ClixSense from your affiliate link. Let's assume that you referred 30 people, like 30 people multiplies 15, that will get you $450 for this is for your first month. You get $450. This is amazing, guys. I mean, if you think that you cannot make $2,000 from this website alone, then you're wrong. You should consider this, guys. You should consider this. It's not easy. Well, you need some work. You need to invest your time for it. You need to do a good job. You need to work hard to make this happen, because it's not gonna happen overnight. Okay, let's just be clear. It's not gonna happen overnight. So you should do some great job to make this. But I'm sure that you can make around $2,000, even more, from this website if you work hard and if you are dedicated. Okay, so guys, this is all for this video today. I wish that you liked what you are seeing in this video, and if you did, make sure to press the like button, to subscribe to this channel, and also to turn on the notification bell so you always stay informed whenever I put a new video. So this is all for this, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let's see you in the next video. Take care.